What's your thoughts, Nurse A?
Dear friends and family, we gather here today in grief and love to remember the life of Elizabeth Ocampo Parico and to support one another during this difficult time. As we come together, let us take a moment to offer a prayer of comfort, healing, and strength. We come here today with full hearts and numb minds. There are no words to express the mixtures of feelings that surrounds each person here. Let's start our necrological service by knowing the roots of our beloved Nurse Beth through her autobiography to be narrated by Nurse Vida.
Dearly beloved, we have gathered here today not only to mourn the death of Ate Beth, but to celebrate her life. Elizabeth Ocampo Parico was born in June 4, 1956, as the youngest of 11 siblings. She came from a long line of educators, yet she chose to be a nurse, as it has been her passion and in her nature to help people in any way she can. Her first job was at Doctora Salamanca Hospital. Then she got the opportunity to work in the US, but she went back in the Philippines to work as a clinical instructor in St. Joseph College. She then went abroad to Saudi Arabia, where she met the love of her life. Afterwards, she went back again to the Philippines and worked as a DepEd nurse until her retirement. It was in early 2023 that she got diagnosed with her illness. She decided to keep this news a secret from her loved ones, not only because she's afraid, but also because she didn't want them to worry. She was very caring, loving, and sacrificial even towards the end of her life. Ate Beth lived her life with an open heart. She can be blunt, strict, and straightforward, yet you can still feel that it comes from a place of love. Not only was Ate Beth a good friend to us, she was also a loving wife, a great mentor, and most of all, a caring mother. We all love you, Ate Beth, and may you watch over us in heaven.
Magandang araw po sa lahat ng natitipon at nakikiisa sa pagbibigay ng luksang parangal sa ating minamahal na si Nurse Beth. Si Nurse Beth po ay isang simpleng tao, pero ang kanyang dedikasyon at pagmamahal sa trabaho ay hindi mapapantayan. Ito ay pinatunayan niya na kahit siya ay nag-retired na sa Department of Education, ay ipinakita niya pa rin ang kanyang passion to her work as a nurse, at nagsilbi siyang voluntaryong nurse na naglilingkod para sa mga taga-tansa. At gusto kong magpasalamat sa kanya sa ipinakita niyang dedikasyon at commitment sa kanyang trabaho. Nurse Beth. Maraming salamat at paalam. Taglayin mo ang kapayapaan sa lugar na iyong patutunguhan. Alam ko na na-accomplish mo na ang pangako mo sa ating may kapal. Kaya ngayon ay alam kong pupunta ka na sa piling niya. Taglayin mo ang aking taos-pusong pananalangin na sumaiyo ang kapayapaan at liwanag na nagmumula sa ating Panginoon. Paalam, Nurse Beth. Hindi namin malilimutan ang pagmamahal at paglilingkod na ibinigay mo sa ating kagawaran.
Hindi kita malilimutan, hindi kita pababayaan. Nakahukit magpakailanman sa aking palad ang iyong Who can say for certain? Maybe you're still here. I feel you all around me, your memory so clear. Deep in the stillness, I can hear you speak. You're still an inspiration. Can it be that you are mine forever, love? And you are watching over me from up above. Fly me up to where you are, beyond a distant star. I wish upon tonight to see you smile, if only for a while to know you're there. A breath away is not far to where you are. Are you gently sleeping here inside my dream? And isn't faith believing all power can't be seen? As my heart holds you just one beat away, I cherish all you gave me every day. 'Cause you are mine forever, love, watching me from up above. And I believe that angels grieve, and that love will live on and never leave. Fly iwan. Saan ka, kailan ka muling mahagkan? Magulang man sa piling ko sandali. Alam ko na tayo'y magkikita muli hanggang may umaga pa na harapin.
Happy birthday, you!
Ikaw lang ang mamahalin.
Ayan, kay Ma'am Lisa. Ito.
Paalam po, Mother Beth. You will always be remembered in our hearts and in our minds. Rest in peace, Nurse Beth.